Hi! Good evening! Naimbag nga rabii. Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's practice using the pronoun da. Da. Their hair, their feet, their hands, their cheeks, their hands, their feet, their cheeks, their hair. In Ilocano, their hands, imada. 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 Their feet, sakada. Saka, feet, then da. Sakada. Their hair, buok da. Buok da. Their cheeks, ping-ping da. Ping-ping da. Let's do more practice. For example, you wanna say, their cousin or their father. Their father, tatang da. Tatang, father is tatang. Tatang da. Their father or their cousin, kasinsin da. Cousin, kasinsin. Kasinsin. Their cousin, kasinsin da. Kasinsin da. Or, let's say, for example, you wanna say, their house, balay da. Balay, house, balay da. Balay da. Their house is beautiful. Napintas ti balay da. Napintas ti balay da. That's all for tonight. That's our quick Learn Ilocano video. And also visit the info below for the Tagalog speakers. Para sa mga Tagalog speakers, you can find the examples given on the video sa ibaba, and also, you can find the Tagalog equivalents of the Ilocano words and examples that I use on the video sa ibaba.